So here's how you're going to make a gradient background in Canva. So the first thing that you're going to do is to click on the background of your project. So let's go hit on this, and then you can see this round color right here, which is your background color. Just click on that. And then from here, you'll be able to see gradients if you scroll down. So let's try to click on this. As you can see, it applied as a gradient color on the background. Let's just experiment on that for a bit. Let's look for a color that would match perfectly. Okay, so I'm just going to stay with this blue color. So what we're going to do next is to add more colors to this gradient just so that we could tweak it a little bit and make it more personalized. So what we're going to do is to click on this plus icon where we could add a new color. So click on that. And then we could add a new color to our gradient, and we could also change the style of our gradient. For example, we want a circular gradient. Just click on that. And as you can see, the focus or the black part is more on the middle instead of like here where it used to be. And then we could tweak that according to how we want our page or our project to look like. For me, I'm just going to choose this one. And then to add a new color to this gradient, just click on this add a new gradient color. And then maybe we could add something like green or yellow, whatever we like. I'm just going to add a lighter shade of blue to purple, like that. And as you can see, it has been added to our background color as a gradient. That's it.